slow Scottish dancing tune, and it's in the key of G, and we start off playing it on the 4th string. We play 3 open notes here, and I'm playing those down, up, down. There's 2 quick picks coming together there. Okay, that's the open D string, so it's down, up, down, then 2nd fret on the 4th string. We move on to the G string then. Open, 2nd fret, open on the 2nd string. So those first 7 notes. Back to the G string, back to the 3rd string now when we play the 2nd fret open. Down to the 4th string, 2nd fret open. Open 3rd, open 2nd. 2nd fret on the 3rd. Open 2nd string and 3rd fret. Okay, so those last 8 notes. I'll play the entire first line now slowly. Move on to the 2nd line, and the first maybe 10 notes are the same. And from there we go to the 3rd fret of the 5th string and back to the open D string, 4th string. Okay, moving along, and we start this on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and that note is D, and it's a similar pick to the first few notes of the song where we have a down, up, down, and then we go to the open 1st string, back to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 1st fret of the 2nd string, and open. So those 7 notes again. Next we'll go down to the 3rd string, and we've already played this section before. And the last line starts off like the 3rd line. And we've also played the remainder of it. Lines 3 and 4 slowly. And the chords that we use to accompany that are very straightforward. The G major chord, C major chord, and the D major chord in that sequence as well.